What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the vlog. Hanging out with Jaden. This is Jaden. We're on our way to Anadarko right now to look at a car that's a secret. My twin. Dude, she was vaping the same. She was vaping too. That was literally me right there. So the guy has a message to Jaden back about where to meet him to look at this. I guess it's not a secret anymore. And so we're in the right town, but Jaden's trying to find businesses around it so we can go there. Jaden like tracked the fucking dude down, so we're waiting on him to get here now. Good morning, guys. It's day 2. Today we're gonna go pick up the Datsun. I didn't show you guys in yesterday's video because I honestly forgot and kind of ended it there. So we're gonna go ahead and pick it up for day 2 and let's go. We're riding in style today, boys. Are you excited to pick up the car?
I am. I hope this guy doesn't sell it out from underneath me.
Yeah, the guy said that someone else is coming to look at it. Kind of a dick move if he knows that you're coming.
Oh, it's a major dick move. I drove an hour and a half yesterday to go look at the thing.
You know what?
What?
If he sells it,
yeah,
I'll steal the GTO.
Alright, deal.
Alright. Here it is. You excited?
Yeah.
Finally, we get to leave this itty bitty shithole of a town.
Thank God. It's nice though.
You happy, Jaden?
I am.
Are you happy, Lindley? Yes. Wow.
Wow.
Say it with us, Lindley. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Finally made it. I'm gonna help him get this off here, and I'm gonna go home. So that's the end of this vlog. Say bye, Jaden. Wow. Talk to you guys later.